So this is, in my opinion, an ineffective visual that is used to describe the COVID vaccine. In my opinion, it is ineffective because it says get the COVID vaccine to save lives, so there's not enough education or even knowledge behind the vaccine longevity-wise to be able to determine whether or not it does save lives or whether or not it is effective. This can also be an ineffective visual because there has been so many new strands of COVID that has come about since the COVID vaccine has been distributed, so we're not really fully aware of what's in us nor if it's preventing the further strands that continue to come out. So in order to make this visual effective, I would put maybe what we do know about the vaccines, how many people have been vaccinated, maybe state why they have been vaccinated, and just as much research and numbers, statistics that we can show short-term wise, but also imply to the public that this is not necessarily a long-term use because we don't have the knowledge behind it.